Welcome. So in this video, we'll be answering this question. It says a group of executives are classified according to body weight and incidence of hypertension. The proportion of the various categories is as shown. And here it is right here. For part A, what we need to do is what is the probability that a person selected at random from this group will have hypertension? So those who are hypertensive are here. So we need to figure out what the total is. And the total would be over here. So that means we're going to have to add up all of these. So I'm going to go 0.1 plus 0.08 plus 0.02. Well, here I've got 0.1. 0.08 plus 0.02 is 0.1. So that means my answer is going to be 0.2. So over here would be 0.2. So that means that is going to be our answer. Let's put a box around it. Next. What is the probability of randomly selecting an individual who is not hypertensive, so not hypertensive, and is a normal weight? So normal weight would be here, so that means my answer is going to be 0.45. So what they were getting us to do here is they were getting us to find the intersection of someone who is not hypertensive, intersection with normal weight. And that would just be 0.45. Perfect. Let's put a box around that answer. Lastly, a person is selected at random from this group and is found to be overweight. What is the probability that this person is also hypertensive? So it's really important when you're reading these questions to recognize when a situation is like a given situation, and this is one of those scenarios. So it says a person is selected at random and is found to be overweight. So we know they're overweight. So given they're overweight, what is the probability that the person is also hypertensive? So what this is saying is, what's the probability that someone is hypertensive given they are overweight? Let me go OW. That's what it is. Now we know that this is going to be the probability of hypertensive intersection of overweight over the probability that they're overweight. So now we have to figure out what this is going to be. So what's the intersection of hypertensive? So let me get rid of this. Hypertensive and overweight is 0.1, and that's going to be over the probability of overweight. So I come up here. The probability that they're overweight is going to be these two added together. So we're after the total of all those who are overweight. So that's going to be 0.25. So we come down here. This is going to be 0.25. We now need to simplify this. This is the same as simply 1. Now have I? It will be simply the same as 10 over 25. Yes. And then that's going to be the same as, well, both of these are divisible by 5. So it will be 2 on 5. And then I can write that as, if I know that 1 on 5 is 0.2, this is going to be 0.4. And that will be my answer. Perfect. So that's how you approach these questions. Hopefully you found this useful, and I'll see you in the next one.